I'm gonna slip. Oh my God. That is so pretty. Woo, it's a beautiful day outside. So today I'm going to take a little bit of a hike. There's this trail that's been flooded. Like the past 2 times I've tried to go through it. The first time it was completely flooded. The next time it was a little flooded. I still couldn't get to the end, but now I think I'm gonna go all the way. It should be okay. It hasn't rained in like a few days, and like I'm thinking I should be able to make it to the waterfall at the end of the trail. So let's see. I feel like my mood is so dependent on whether or not it's sunny. It's crazy. Like, it's sunny like most of the time here, but it just has to rain like once and I'll be completely down in the dumps. Like, super sad. But today is nice and beautiful. This valley is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. Beautiful, yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, guys. Made it to the entrance. It didn't take long. Let's go on a hike. Last time I was here, it was completely flooded. I like this cool little thing right there. Well, this thing was like gushing with water, like absolutely gushing. And it's weird because there's not like a typical trail, like path that you can follow. And it's all kind of just like flowing together with, you know, areas that are flooded and debris. Like, look at all this debris right here. As soon as I get into nature, I feel so calm and like serene. Like, everything just melts away. I wanted to start getting tattoos for each national park I visit. I think that could be really fun, but I haven't thought for sure if that's a good idea yet. But maybe I'll just start with one and see if I want to go on from there. I've only been to 3 so far, so check out these berries. So pretty. This was like all flooded here before when I came. It really flooded. Like over here, this is always kind of slick. This used to be like flooded up to here. You know, I don't want to get too muddy. I brought like the wrong shoes for it. And this is super slick. But I'm gonna go up here. Ugh. This isn't, oh, I almost slipped. This isn't the route to the waterfall, but this is, okay, you guys, this is actually kind of crazy. There's like algae here, and it's super slippery. Let me get on this little thing. This isn't the road to the waterfall, but there's like something cool at the end of it. I want to show you. This is kind of gross, but something about hiking makes me feel like I'm a kid again. It's like a playground for anybody, like a playground for adults, for kids. Like, you can just go out and just feel like you're going on an adventure. There's animals. I just love hearing, oh, there's a little lizard there. I love hearing the sounds of like all the birds. They just be quiet. Beautiful. And this is what I wanted to show you. It's such a weird thing. It's kind of actually like super wet. Oh, it's actually not too deep here. I kind of want to like climb up it. Like, it seems like you can. It looks a lot easier than it probably is to climb up all the way. Like, it goes up all the way. And like these things are at like a tilt, but it's got to be something to do with like water management. Like these probably stop the water from like flowing really quickly down it. But yeah, probably not the best idea to climb it. But who knows? Maybe one day I'll come back here and climb it if you guys want me to. So now we're gonna go find the trail to the waterfall. It's also kind of crazy. Like on certain hikes, you can actually just so easily just die. Like you could fall off a cliff or like really hurt yourself, or if you're oh, you could slip like that. But like in a more dangerous hiking setting, like if you're in Joshua Tree just climbing up like a bunch of rocks and stuff, you could you could so easily just slip, hit your head on something, you know, get bit by a rattlesnake or things like that. And it's kind of scary. But at the same time, there's a certain level of freedom that you feel that you can't get in any other type of situation. That knowledge that you're just out there. I'm gonna slide down this whole thing. That knowledge that you're just out. You're just out in the open and like nothing is there to make you feel safe necessarily, and nothing is there to make you feel like there's any rules. Okay, so I'm gonna go that way and we're gonna see how far we can make it before it gets too wet. Do I go that way? Or do I go that way? Probably gonna go that way. I think I made the right choice. Woohoo! That's pretty. That's pretty, man. Go ahead and touch this little stream right here. But honestly, this might just be my favorite thing to do of all time. Just like hiking on a new trail, exploring. I mean, not in a sense that I'm the first one finding it, but exploring in the sense that like everything I see is new to me. Like it's a completely different setting. And hiking offers that. Like you can just go out on a new trail and see things that you've never seen before. You get to explore something that's not necessarily designed for you, you know, like it's designed around you, and you still get to interact with it. And that's why it's dangerous. That's also why it's kind of beautiful. Cross over to there. Oh God. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. The fuck? Oh God. This is not stable at all. My feet are kind of wet. Get to this rock. That's stable. Okay. Yeah, yep. It's a little stable. Stop there. Holy shit. Oh. 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 I just got wet. My feet are soaked. But like it's past the point where I need to worry about getting wet. So that's kind of nice. But definitely not ideal right now. Nothing worse than a soggy foot. There's not really a trail right here. I guess like I can go up there, go through here, and then maybe around this little bush, through these little things. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Okay, this is more like trail-like, I'd say. I don't know if this is actually a trail, but it's trail-like for sure. You can tell it's been flooded through here. I mean, now that I'm wet, I gotta see the waterfall now. There's no way I'm gonna just not see that waterfall. I'm not picky, but I do have to pick. Do I go this way or do I go that way? This way looks closer to the path, but that way looks more like a trail. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way. Oh yeah, no, I don't think I can make it through that. I might have to go the other way. We're going the other way. It's so crazy, like how there's become this like idea that it's like people versus nature, when in reality we're part of nature. And I mean, like, we are part of this like world, and like, I don't know, it's weird to just think of yourself as something completely separate to the world, you know? You're like a part of it. So I feel like you should enjoy this stuff and you should appreciate it. Oh. Look at that rock. That's cool. Huge boulder. There's like a cave in there. What is that? There's like some sort of cave down there. I wonder if I can get to that. That'd be crazy. It's getting treacherous. Oh, so this just met up with where the other path couldn't take us. I think it would have been about the same. All roads lead to Rome. One thing I'm like most scared of is probably getting a tick. What if I just get a tick on my sack? I'd be ticked off. Is that the waterfall? That's gotta be it. It's so calming. Calming. Look at this rock. It looks like it has little skin tags on it. It's got little baby rock moles. It's got to be like sand or something, and then I guess the rocks were like solidified into it. I don't know. That's cool. Good job. You're doing a good job. The fun way or the safe way? I think I'm choosing the fun way. Woo-hoo-hoo. Ha ha ha. This is how you get injured. This rock's, none of these rocks are as stable as as stable as I would expect. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. Oh. I don't know if I think I messed up. I'm stuck now. Maybe I go here. Maybe I go. I just don't want to drop my phone more than anything. I think I can make it from here. Oh yeah. consider that a make. We did it. We did it. The great thing about nature, nobody's here to see you mess up. Oh, I want to get up there. Oh, that's easy. This is so much easier. I just can't slip right here. Okay. Whew. We made it. And we made it. That is behind us. The only problem is we got to go back. More bugs. Got some ridges. I want to see if I got any water. Just a little bit. My foot is like soaked. Oh. It'd be nice to see like one other hiker out here. Area closed for plant rehabilitation. What plants they got over there? It's opening up. I feel like we're really in a valley. I feel like I gotta go here, which is what I'm gonna do, but oh no. How's there a trail like over there, but it just ends at the stream right here? It makes no sense. These look burnt. It might have been a little fire. Oh, whoa, yeah, I mean, that one is burnt. And that is a dead end. I'm going to have to turn around. Please don't tell me I have to cross that river. What is going on right now? This is the least trail I've ever seen. I've fallen in twice in a short amount of time. At the point where I actually just do not know where to go. There's a stream there. There's a stream here. And there's a trail over there, but it's across the way. And I don't even know if I'm gonna have to cross and just like get my feet wet again. I may as well. We're already here. We made it this far. All right. Here goes nothing. Oh, that is deep over there. That is so deep. I'm gonna have to roll these up. Roll these bad boys up. I wish I could just make like, oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh God, it's cold. And there's bugs. That's all right. All right, we made it. I'm gonna just take this off, dump all the water out again. These shoes might be ruined after this. All right, River, I'll see you soon. Like my feet got wet earlier, but that was just like, my feet feel like they're swimming right now. Guys, we made it. I think I hear it. No. More river? Should have just brought my swim trunks. I did not know it would be like this. Remember what I said about nature being so great? I take all that back. I take all of it back. No, why are these rocks so unstable? Okay, okay, I did it. The sign said waterfall this way, but it didn't say whether it was that way or that way. My phone's on 20%. I feel like neither way is gonna be a easy route to take. Pretty flower. There's gotta be it. This has to be it. Why is there so many forks in the road? Is it this way? Is it that way? It's gotta be this way because it's further away from where I came. Oh, okay, so it leads to a trail behind it. Got you. I'm gonna slip. Oh. One of these days, I'm gonna slip a disc trying to get down these hills. Look at that tree just fell over. Just taking a little nap. So I really gotta hurry up before my phone dies because I will not have any GPS. So yeah, just a little pressed for time. Nothing to be worried about. Nothing crazy. Nothing anybody should be concerned about. Just gonna pick up the pace and oh. You know what? That sign's not very helpful, but as long as there's signs, I feel a little bit safe. You're not gonna believe that, but you hear that? I gotta cross more water. Oh my God. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay. And it looks like we're getting deeper into the valley. You can see some rocks up there. Squeeze through, you guys. Sorry, plants. Just gotta get by. Excuse me. Look at this plant. Weird type of moss. So pretty. The story of my life. I'm at 12%. I believe I started the hike at 40%. So that means we are used up almost all of it on the way there. Probably not gonna have a lot of juice on the way back. So that is very reassuring. Look at this like little bamboo stuff. What's up with that? Another lizard. Yeah, so I just ran into a couple of other hikers. Very friendly people. I've never met a rude hiker. Something I could say. They all want to let you know how far you have left. So it was very nice. So apparently we're pretty close. But close is relative because he said 3 more creek crossings and then my heart sank. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna cross over there actually. Ugh. There's some rocks there. We're really getting into the thick of it. Excuse me. It's getting so beautiful. Starting to see the peaks of these mountains. Well, I guess this is the way to go. What does this sign say? I actually think it's this way. Okay. We're actually going uphill, which is cool. Guys, we're about to see an amazing view. This is crazy. Oh, oh. Slipping off. I gotta find stable footing. What? It's so pretty. Wow. Oh my goodness. I think we made it. Pretty close, or I don't know if I'm gonna be able to cross this little thing here. Believe it or not, that's a waterfall down there. I'm pretty sure. It wasn't supposed to be spectacular, it's just like a little thing. But maybe even like in there. It's more about the journey rather than the destination, yeah. Can we keep going up? I think I might keep going up this little mound here. That's it down there. I mean, it's supposed to be. Yeah, there we go. What? It's crazy. What? My God, I feel like there's a rattlesnake up here. I see like so many lizards. I feel like one of them is gonna turn out to be a rattlesnake. I don't even know if this is a trail. It looks like a trail. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Wow. What the? Actually so pretty. I can't believe it. I did not expect after all that river crossing we'd be able to find ourselves up here. I feel like I gotta see what's over that ridge. Even though my phone's about to die, it's like on 5%. But I don't care, I gotta go for it. I'm already here. I'm already here. I'm not gonna lie, my shoes are falling apart. But check this out. We made it. I'm about to fall off. Wow. That's insane. The waterfall is down there. All right, I made it to the top. This is as far as I can realistically go, unless I were to start free soloing that right there, which I'm not gonna do. But like, come on, this is so pretty. My phone is on 2%, you guys, so this is honestly gonna have to be the end of the video. This was amazing. Like, the hike started out like really kind of crappy, to be honest, just with like crossing all that water, but like what it turned into, this is incredible. I couldn't even have like imagined it would turn out this beautiful. Like up here, I'm so glad I stuck it through, went the whole way. The way back, I'll be fine. Don't worry about me. You know, once I get to my car, that's good. I'm pretty sure I know the way back. I just follow the river realistically, so that's great. Like, this is so pretty. Like, I'm gonna keep doing these hikes and I'm gonna keep bringing you guys along with me, because this is just, honestly, this is worth living for. This is beautiful. And yeah, get outside today, you guys. Get outside. Just a little pressed for time.